In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites for documentation. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean, easy to navigate documentation site that your team or audience can follow without confusion. First, open Google Sites and create a new site. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll land on the site's homepage. Click to create a new site and you'll be taken to an editor with a live preview on the right and tools on the left. Give your site a clear name at the top so it appears consistently across pages. For documentation, clarity is everything. So pick a simple theme with good contrast and legible fonts to keep long reads comfortable. When you're choosing how to start, decide between a blank site or a documentation template. A blank site is perfect if you want full control over structure and design from scratch. The documentation template gives you a head start with a built-in layout, sample sections, and a reading-friendly navigation style. If you're unsure, the template can save time. You can always customize colors, headers, and layouts so it looks like your own. Next, add pages for different topics or sections. Open the Pages panel and create a page for each major area of your documentation like overview, getting started, tutorials, FAQs, or reference. Keep page names short and descriptive so they fit neatly in the navigation. If you have a lot of content, use subpages to nest topics under a main section. This keeps your sidebar or top menu tidy and helps readers find what they need quickly. A helpful tip is to create a brief overview page first, setting expectations and linking to your most important sections. Now, organize your content using text boxes, tables, images, and embedded files. Add text boxes for introductions, step explanations, and notes. Use clear headings and short paragraphs to improve scanning. Insert tables to present structured information like feature comparisons, settings, or version histories. Tables keep details aligned and readable. Add images or diagrams to illustrate interfaces, workflows, or results. Screenshots with captions can eliminate guesswork. Finally, embed files to keep everything in one place. You can embed docs for detailed guides, sheets for data, slides for walkthroughs, or PDFs for downloadable references. Embedding saves readers from opening multiple tabs and ensures updates in Drive reflect on your site. As you build, use section layouts and spacing to separate concepts, and preview often to check readability on different screen sizes. With these steps, you'll have a documentation site that's organized, consistent, and welcoming to readers.